Hello workout buddies, the exercise today is going to be tough. High intensity interval training. That means the faster you move, the less break you have, the more calories you burn. We're gonna have 2 rounds in this video, 1 minute break between 2 rounds. This routine is not going to help you build muscles, but it's gonna help you turn off and burn unhealthy fats. I often do this workout in the morning before I have breakfast, or just try it before your meal. That way we can take advantage the most benefits of this type of workouts, burn calories at the maximum level. You can always find more intense workout on my Instagram, and don't forget to click that subscribe button for more workout challenges with me in upcoming videos. Alright, let's take a look at our first round. We're gonna have 4 workouts in the first round. Bob squats. Follow that is plank knee to elbows. Then 3-way twists, jump to front and to the sides. Last one is leg run 3 ways. No break, each workout 30 seconds. Let's do our best. We're gonna warm up with pop squats. I want you to start slowly. Fists and hands now come together in the center. Make a nice squat. Hands touch the ground if you can, then bring your feet in, a little pop in the middle, and back out again. Keep your back flat and straight. Slowly increase your speed if you can. The faster you go, the harder you are working, the more fat you are torching. 5 seconds left to the next workout. 3, 2, and 1. We are moving on to plank knee elbow. Well, let's come down to plank position. Keep back straight. Bring your right knee to your right elbow. Pause 1 second and return to plank position. Repeat with the other side. If you want, you can make it a little bit slower to help yourself catch your breath in between. Otherwise, try to keep a little bit more active. That way you can burn more calories. Doing really well, keep that going. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Moving on to 3-way twists. Start with high plank position. Bend your knees and jump your feet towards your hands, then jump your feet back and to the right, to the middle, to the left, and back to starting position. Slow down your speed. Control your move at first, and you can always speed up anytime. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. One last workout to the break. Raise your right leg straight to the back and then bring it towards your hands and twist to the left side. Bring back and repeat to the other side. Keep it slow in controlled motion. Tighten your core and squeeze your abs. This is a killer workout for your lower belly. Five seconds left to the break. Think about the results, how amazing you will look. 3, 2, and 1. Well done, guys. We're gonna have 1 minute water break, but just a few sips, but not too much, at least after this round. Moving next to the second round is 3 workouts. Thigh slaps, then jump to plank push-up, working on your core, arms, and shoulders. The last one is plank jack. Very effective for your lower belly. How are you feeling now? Are we good? Let's finish this together.
And another.
Thigh slaps workout is a very challenging exercise. To make it fun and easier, I want you to imagine you are playing on trampoline. So legs come up to hands, don't bring your hands down. Double hop at the bottom, keep your back straight. The faster you go, the higher you jump, the more fat you burn, especially in your lower belly area. I know this workout is hard. Push yourself to that point of challenge, guys. 5 second left. 3, 2, and 1. Go straight to plank push-up. Make it slowly so you can catch your breath. To avoid back pain, hips are not too low on the ground. Alternative hand switch from right to left. We are working on your core, burning the fat at upper abs and arm area. Nice, doing really well, guys. Keep that going. 5 second left. 3, 2, and 1. We make it to the last one. See how fast it goes. Start in high plank position. Jump your feet in and out. Keep your pelvis stable. Keep that tummy tight. Feel your lower abdominal muscles moving. 10 seconds left and the workout completes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did it! Now let's cool down your heart rate and relax the muscles. Breathe slowly. Imagine you are stretching all the tense muscles out, making them relax and feel good. Your body will be sore the next day, so keep doing stretch routine to have faster recovery. Amazing job, everyone. I'm super proud of your efforts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you are skinny type like me, I recommend doing this routine once or twice a week. Try to focus on gaining a firm body first. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a good recovery and I'll see you in my next workout video. Bye!